Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pearl powder is probably one of the most sought-after beauty secrets, treasured for centuries and lauded for its potential to improve skin health and appearance. This natural ingredient, derived from finely ground pearls, offers a unique blend of minerals and amino acids that may contribute to a radiant complexion. In this video, we will explore the remarkable properties of pearl powder, examining its potential benefits, how to use it effectively, and what to look for when choosing a high-quality product, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your skincare routine. Number 5. Akoya Pearl Powder. This is Akoya Pearl Powder, a natural way to beautify and rejuvenate your skin. It comes in 2 convenient 10-gram packs for easy use. It gives your skin a soft, natural glow without that ghostly pale look. It's perfect for all skin tones. This powder helps your skin rebuild its natural collagen, keeping it hydrated and healthy. It also strengthens your skin's moisture barrier. Use it as a mineral highlighter or a setting powder for a flawless finish. It's versatile and easy to incorporate into your makeup routine. It's 100% natural, containing no chemicals, no hydrolysis, and no nanoparticles. It's gentle on even the most sensitive skin. Discover the beauty benefits of Akoya Pearl Powder. It's a simple addition to your skincare routine that delivers remarkable results. What we like. It's ultra-fine and natural, won't make your skin look ghostly pale. It can be used as a highlighter or setting powder, making it a versatile addition to your makeup routine. If you're looking for a natural, multi-purpose pearl powder, this is the one for you. What people say. Gives very nice clear even skin. I use 2 drops of grape oil and rose water, a teaspoon of pearl powder in the morning and evening after cleansing, mix into a paste and apply it to my face. Remember, only use toner and oil to mix this pearl powder. If you with other liquids, it becomes particles and can clog the hair. I found that my skin has become fairer and my pores are shrinking, which has indeed improved. Very fine pearl powder. Also, the package came with very detailed instructions of how to apply the powder. Number 4. LANYU Premium Pearl Powder. It's rich in amino acids, calcium, and minerals. These help your skin look and stay healthy. It enhances your skin's texture, leaving it feeling smooth and refreshed. Experience a revitalized complexion. It naturally removes dead skin cells. This promotes a soft and refined look, revealing brighter skin. It's a versatile ingredient for creating your own face masks, creams, and beauty treatments. Unleash your creativity. It's made from 100% high-quality pearl powder. There are no additives, fillers, or preservatives, ensuring purity. Discover the transformative power of LANYU Premium Pearl Powder. It's your secret to naturally radiant skin. What we like. This pearl powder nourishes and refreshes your skin. It's also perfect for creating your own personalized skincare treatments. If you enjoy DIY skincare and want to enhance your skin's overall health, this is an excellent choice. What people say. With only a few uses, my skin is noticeably clearer and softer. The first time I used it, I made a mask with a little pearl powder and milk. I left it on my face for a few minutes and my face seemed brighter and clearer than before. It keeps my skin oil-free all day, and I have a mildly, but noticeably clearer complexion, without a drying effect. I have little freckles under my eyes and this hasn't done anything for them. However, it does seem like my fine lines are less visible for some reason. This is an overall great product for the price. Pearl powder has been used for years. It has excellent properties and really can be used in a variety of ways. Facial mask, clay mask, used as a finishing powder, brightening powder for the face, and you can even take it internally. Number 3. Askin Pearl Modeling Mask. This innovative mask is formulated with pearl extract and amino acids to revitalize your skin. It's designed to improve skin tone and texture, leaving you with a radiant complexion. The pearl extract is rich in minerals that promote blood circulation and cell regeneration. It helps prevent aging and brightens your skin tone for a youthful glow. It offers excellent transparency, reducing the appearance of imperfections like dark spots and blemishes. It also intensely moisturizes and improves skin elasticity. Key ingredients like diatomite, glucose, and betaine work together to deeply hydrate and soothe your skin. It leaves your skin feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. This soft gel-type mask is easy to apply and remove, making your skincare routine simple and enjoyable. It's perfect for all skin types. It's especially beneficial for those with dark spots, blemishes, or freckles. It helps to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of imperfections. Experience the transformative power of a skin pearl modeling mask. Unveil your naturally radiant and healthy-looking skin. What we like. It's intensely moisturizing and helps to brighten skin tone. The easy-to-use formula makes it perfect for anyone. If you have dark spots or blemishes and want an easy solution, this is for you. What people say. As an esthetician for 25 years, I can attest that this mask is literally my favorite mask I've used. Easy to use and clean. I have 3 different kinds of this mask powder and I love them all. Do facial mask, whitening effect is good. Number 2. Pearl powder, 50g. This is our pearl powder. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your beauty routine. See the pure, radiant glow of this powder. It's carefully sourced and processed to maintain its quality. With 50 grams, you'll have plenty of this luxurious powder to enjoy for a long time. It's a great value. Feel the incredibly smooth texture as you apply it. It blends seamlessly into your skin. It's designed to enhance your natural beauty, giving you a radiant and healthy-looking complexion. Try it today. It's the perfect addition to your skincare regimen. It's versatile and easy to use. What we like. It comes in a large quantity, offering great value for your money. It's also versatile and can be used in many different ways. If you need a large amount of pearl powder for various uses, this is a cost-effective option. What people say. Clears up discoloration and makes my skin glow. This is definitely the highest quality. I have used the product with facials and it is of great quality. Number 1. Pure Pearl Powder DIY Cosmetic. This amazing powder is perfect for creating your own skincare solutions. It's packed with benefits for your skin. It contains amino acids that stimulate skin cells to produce collagen and hydration, keeping your skin looking young and healthy. It acts as a shield against pollution and other environmental elements, preserving your skin's natural beauty. Many find it calming and soothing, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. It reduces irritation and redness. It's great for absorbing excess oil, making it perfect for those with oily or combination skin. It leaves your skin looking matte and balanced. This finely milled powder gently exfoliates, smoothing skin texture. Use it in your face masks or scrubs for a radiant complexion. High in calcium, it promotes skin regeneration and moisture, leading to a healthier, more vibrant appearance. It also helps regulate sebum and cell turnover. What we like. This pearl powder boosts collagen production and soothes irritated skin. It also helps control oil, making it suitable for various skin types. If you have oily or sensitive skin and want to improve its texture and health, this is a great option. What people say. This is just pure pearl powder, nothing else mixed in. It is finely ground and goes on the skin smoothly. It's not gritty at all. I put it in my homemade facial cream. I love the way it makes my face have an extra glow by improving my complexion. It doesn't have a smell to speak of, it just smells plain and non-descriptive. I only use it on my face and neck, so this 1 ounce lasts quite a while, about 4 months with daily use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.